Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the off-canvas widget in Elementor and create a sliding menu for the mobile devices. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm using a standard WordPress menu for the mobile devices. If I click on it, it is going to open a simple menu like this. Instead of this, you can use the off-canvas widget in Elementor and create a sliding menu for the mobile devices. For example, I'm using off-canvas widget here, and if I click on this menu, it is going to open a sliding menu. At the top, we have the close button, then we have the logo. After that, we have menu, call button, social icons, image, and some content. If you want to add more widgets, you can add more widgets to the off-canvas. If I click on it, it is going to close the off-canvas. So instead of using a standard menu for the mobile devices, you can use off-canvas and create a sliding menu for the mobile devices. So let's see how we can use the off-canvas widget in Elementor. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website, and on this website I'm using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. In this case, we are going to customize the header section of the website, and instead of showing the standard menu in the header, we are going to use the off-canvas widget. So let's go to edit with Elementor. This is the header section. Then we have the home page section. Then we have the footer section. So as I explained, we are going to customize the header section. So let's click on header. In the current header, we have this top bar. Then we have logo. This is the standard menu in Elementor, and we have a call now button. This is how it looks on the desktop. And this is how it looks on the tablet. And this is how it will look on the mobile devices. If I click on this menu, you will see the standard menu is opening. Now instead of this standard menu, we are going to open off-canvas sliding menu. So let's go to the plus sign here and search for off-canvas. This is the widget off-canvas. I do have Elementor Lite plugin installed on this website, so that's why it shows header off-canvas from EKIT. And this is the standard Elementor widget off-canvas. I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is going to cover the entire section. You will see editing mode. I'm going to turn off the editing mode so that you will see where it is placed. I have this off-canvas widget placed above the call now button. It is not going to be shown anywhere on the website. You need to create a trigger action. We are going to add an icon which when clicked, it will open that sliding menu. Now we are going to edit this one. So click on it and enable the edit mode. Let's make it full width or the desktop mode so that you will see what is in the background. However, we are not going to use it for the desktop. We are going to use it only for the mobile devices. So this is the layout of the off-canvas. This is the name of the off-canvas. I'm going to change it to off-canvas menu for mobile. So this is going to be the name of this off-canvas widget. Now here you will see the position. You can position it at the center or to the end. This is the vertical position of the widgets that we are going to add inside this off-canvas. So I'm going to keep it on the left hand side, and width will be, let's say, 90% of the entire width. So I'm going to make it 90%. It is showing the width on the desktop, and in the background you will see the actual page, right? You can set the width or you can simply leave it as it is. And here you will see the height. Currently it is set to custom. You can change it to fit to content, and whichever widget you are going to add into this sliding menu, it will adjust the height according to the widgets that you are going to add. So I'm going to select custom and I want it full height. So I'm going to make it 100 VH. So it is going to take the entire height of the device. Below that you will see settings and you will see animation for the entrance. I'm going to select one of the sliding animations, slide in left. And for the exit, I'm going to use slide out left. All right. And here you can adjust the animation duration. Let's make it 1.0. Here you will see prevent closing on overlay. This is the overlay. If someone clicks on this overlay, it is going to close this off canvas automatically, but I do not want them to close after clicking on the overlay. So I'm going to enable this. Then we have prevent closing on escape. So you have the escape key. If someone press the escape key, it is going to close this off canvas. So I want to prevent that also. So I'm going to enable it. Disable page scrolling. If I scroll on the overlay, you will see the page in the background is scrolling. If you want to disable that, you can simply enable this option. And now you will see that it is not scrolling in the background. I'm going to keep it as it is. All right, now let's go to style settings and you will see the background for this one. So I'm going to select the background color. Let's change it to slightly gray. So this is going to be the background color. You can also add border. Let's add a border here, 1 pixel, and I'm going to make it black color. Or let's change it to blue color. All right, you can also add border radius. You will see border radius here. Overlay, this is the overlay color. If you want to change it, you can change the overlay color like this. All right, so this is the overlay color. Now click on the plus sign and start adding the widgets inside the off canvas. Let's start with the icon to close the off canvas widget. So I'm going to start with the icon. Let's change the icon to close so that we will have a close button there. This is the close button. Let's go to style settings and align it to the right and change the size. All right, so this is going to be the close button for this off canvas. Let's go to content and let's go to link and go to dynamic tags. Scroll down and you will see the option off canvas. Select that one, click on it and go to settings, off canvas, close. So we need to close the off canvas. So using this button, we can close the off canvas. So you need to select close off canvas. And which off canvas? This is the name of the off canvas that we have created, off canvas menu for mobile. So if someone clicks on it, it is going to close that off canvas. Click on the plus sign. Now I want to add a logo. So I'm going to select site logo, or you can also select image and you can add the logo as image. You can also customize it. You can change the size also like this and change it to the left hand side. All right, now below that I want to add a menu. If I open the website, this is the menu that we are using on the desktop. And here you will see the WordPress menu. Drag it and drop it here. Now this is horizontal. I want to make it vertical. So I'm going to change the layout to vertical. And again, you can customize the style settings. Go to style settings and change the color. Change the hover color if required. Change the active color also. All right, so you can customize the menu according to your website requirement. These are the basic settings. I have only one menu which is already selected, and layout is vertical, alignment to the right, to the left, or to the center. Pointer is underline. You can change the pointer also. Animation is fade. And submenu indicator, this is the submenu indicator. If you have submenu, it will show the submenu also. Now below that you will see mobile drop down. Now this standard menu will be shown as hamburger icon on mobile devices. We do not want that, so I'm going to disable the breakpoint. So it is not going to change this menu in hamburger icon when used on mobile devices. On mobile devices, we want to show this entire menu as it is in vertical layout. All right, below that I'm going to add a button. So let's search for button, drag it and drop it here. And let's name it as call us now. Whatever call to action you want, you can add the call to action. Let's add the phone number here. So if someone tap on it, it is going to dial the phone number automatically. We are using this off canvas widget for the mobile devices only. Click on plus sign, and whatever widget you want to add, you can start adding the widgets. Let's say you want to add video, you can drag it and drop it here. If you want to add image, you can drag it and drop it here. Let's select image and you can customize it. Let's add some border radius. So this is the image. Below that, if you want to add text editor, you can also add text editor, and you can add information about your business here. Let's say I want to add social icons. I'll search for social icons, drag it and drop it here. It's left align. Let's make it circle. So these are the social media icons. You can enter your social media links here. All right, so this is the off canvas menu. Now let's go to structure and select off canvas and go to content and let's disable the editing mode. So we will be back on the actual page. So in the header section we have this off canvas added, and below that we have this button which is here, and this is the off canvas widget. If I go to mobile devices, this is how it will look. Now we want to disable this WordPress default menu for the mobile devices. So I'm going to select that WordPress menu, go to advanced settings, go to responsive mode and hide on mobile devices. Now if I go to mobile, you will see this is how it will look. The menu is not showing on the mobile devices anymore. Now instead of this menu, I want to show an icon. So I'm going to click on plus sign and let's search for icon, drag it and drop it here in the same position. Change the icon to menu bar. You will see different menu bars here. I'm going to select this one and let's change the style setting. Let's make it smaller. Go to advanced and go to responsive settings, and I do not want this icon to be shown on the desktop and tablet. So on the tablet it is going to show the default WordPress menu, and only on the mobile devices it is going to show this icon. So this is how it will look on the mobile devices. Right now we need to link this icon with the off canvas. So select the icon, go to content, go to link, go to dynamic tags, scroll down and search for off canvas. Click on it and we are going to open the off canvas. And which one? The one that we created, off canvas menu for mobile. So select that one. Alright, so we have linked the off canvas with this icon. So now this is how it will look. If I click on it, it is going to open the off canvas. We have logo, menu, call button, social icons, image and the text editor. If I click on it, it is going to close the off canvas widget. And if I go to tablet, this is how it will look on the tablet. This is the standard menu for the tablet, and this is how it will look on the desktop. This is the standard WordPress menu on the desktop. So this is how you can use the off canvas widget in Elementor and create a separate menu for the mobile devices. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.